When you're ready to finish your video, you're going to click Finish, and it'll ask you to name your video on a screen prior to this, but I'm going to go ahead and name it Dempsey Video. I'm going to export it as a video. I'm going to export it in standard definition, which is a good file size for projects that we do at school. You can choose the destination to send it. You can choose the picture that you want to use, and usually there'll be pictures up here on your video. And when you're done, you'll click Export. You'll notice that it's going to process for a little bit. It may take a couple minutes. So I'm going to go back to WeVideo here. And I'm going to go back to the Exports page. And you'll notice that I have all the videos that I've ever finished in WeVideo. So when it is finished, it'll come up on a screen that looks like this. A couple things you'll want to do is when you click on this lock here, you'll want to unlock it and make the video public. And then when you want to share it with your teacher, you can either copy this link at the top of your toolbar or go down to Share and copy this link right here. And you can submit this into your Canvas page or email it to your teacher depending on how they want you to submit it.